Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable the app lock on Microsoft Authenticator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to disable your Microsoft Authenticator app lock, you just simply have to open Microsoft Authenticator into your device and just simply open the lock into here. Then after unlocking your Microsoft Authenticator, just simply tap into this three dots in top right, and after that go to settings. And now after going into settings, you will directly see this app lock section into security. Just simply disable this toggle for app lock, and after disabling this, you will have to enter either your biometric or your pattern into here. And after successfully entering those unlocking options, your app lock will successfully be disabled into Microsoft Authenticator. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.